Morning friends, in this particular presentation of mine I'm going to showcase to you how to add the word art into the slide that I'm preparing it. So here I go and I'm taking care of the word art under the insert. So you have to open up first of all the slide homepage, go to insert, click it, and you can see where the word art is, and just click it, and then you can see. Okay, now what I'm doing, because something was already keyed over there, so I don't want that page, so I've come here and I'm picking up a blank template and a blank sheet or the slide that I really want to work on, and then I would be going ahead. Now see, I have selected the blank template, now the slide I should say. Go to insert. Now can you see, scroll down word art. Now here you can see that use enter to save, or use shift plus enter for multiple lines. So here I'm just showcasing it when I'm using keying the word in one line itself. So that is my name, Ramini Swarna, or my name. So I think I'll be even deleting that. I'm happy with my name, Ramini Swarna, out here, and then enter. So it is already saved and you can see it is coming in. Now I don't like this light gray shade around my name, so I want to make some changes. So here in the menu tab itself you can see fill color, which I have clicked it out. Click on that, use the color that you really would like. So I wanted black, so it is Ramini Swarna all in black, and then I'll have to check it out whether I have to rotate or I would like to keep it like that only. So here I'm just kept it like that, and I'm not doing anything right now at the moment. So this is a small presentation wherein I have showcased to you how to use the word art in the slide presentation of the slide homepage in the Google. Thanks a lot. Take care.